Hi, I'm Caitlin from Varsity Tutors. Today we're talking about the do's and don'ts of SAT test day. Here are some tips on what to bring and what to leave at home. On test day, remember to bring your admission ticket and photo ID. These items are required to take the test. Don't forget them at home, or you may need to reschedule your exam. The SAT answer sheet requires the use of a number 2 pencil. Bring 2 pencils to ensure that you are prepared. The College Board recommends that you bring a scientific or graphing calculator. Make sure your calculator is included on the list of approved calculators on the SAT website. Other than your SAT-approved calculator, leave all other tech items at home. If you have to have your cell phone for any reason, make sure to leave it with the test center staff before the test. You're allowed to write notes within the SAT booklet, but you cannot bring notes or study guides into the testing room. Make sure that you haven't written anything that is visible outside of your test booklet, including on the back of your hand. In summary, do remember to bring your admission ticket, photo ID, number 2 pencils, and calculator on test day. Don't bring any technology or notes into the testing room. Thanks for watching and learning more about the do's and don'ts of SAT test day.